Hey there, everybody. This is how to create an LRP cart so that you can earn free points with doTERRA's monthly rewards program, and you can use those free points toward free oils. I'm borrowing my mother-in-law's account right now because she is not on LRP yet, and I want to show you how to create your LRP. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your doTERRA account, and you're going to click this button that says Create New LRP. And you're going to choose a day to roll your LRP cart. And this date can be changed later on if you choose, but it's the date that your cart will roll every month. So I always recommend that people start with like the third or fourth day of the month. That way you can find out what the free oil is going to be that month. You can have a couple of days to change your cart so that you're not getting the same stuff every single month. So you're going to choose your day to roll the cart, and you only have the option of getting the free oil of the month in the first 15 days, which is why these dates up here are purple. Any dates after the 15th are black, and you can roll your cart in that day, in those days, but you don't have the option of getting the free oil of the month after the 15th. So you're going to choose your date, and then you're going to click Save Date and Shop. So I'm not going to click it right now because I'm not going to sign her up for LRP without asking, but I'm going to switch you over to my account and show you how to add and change things in your own account. So I'm going to click Edit Order. This is my LRP cart for right now. And you just click Edit Order, and then your cart will pop up. And you can delete or add things from your cart. So you'll see that my order is huge. I have a ton of things that I need this month. So my PV currently is 382.5. That's a lot of stuff, but I'm teaching six classes, so that's why. But you know what? Right now, I don't need Roman chamomile, so I'm going to take that off my LRP. So you can just click the X, and that takes it off. And then I'm going to add. I need more Slim and Sassy gum. So you can use this quick add feature, and you can add things here. Or if you're not sure exactly what you need, you can shop. You can shop your products, and you can shop your essential oils just this way. I think Slim and Sassy gum is in here. You can see that when you click out of your cart, it still says that you're editing your loyalty order right here. So I've got my Slim and Sassy gum, so I'm going to add that to my bag. And it says that it's been added to my bag. I'm just going to go check and make sure. You can go back to your LRP order and see, yep, there it is. So you can add and delete things as needed in your LRP cart. You're not stuck getting the same stuff every month. That's a common misconception when people first sign up for LRP. The only thing that you can't do is delete everything in your cart all at the same time. If you try to delete everything at the same, like in one fell swoop, the cart will automatically repopulate everything you had in there in your last order. So what I recommend people do is they add the new things that they want and then delete the old things that they don't want anymore. And that helps that with that process. It just makes it go a little bit easier. The other thing I wanted to show you is this cool thing. So this is my rewards points that I can spend for free oils. So when you first start on LRP, you're getting 10% points back. And then after 3 months of ordering 50 PV or more, that bumps up to 15% and then up to 20%. So I'm currently earning 30% points back. So I have 346.96 points to spend on free oils. That is $346.96 I can spend on oils. So if you look at this, I can get almost my whole order for free this month. I'm not going to do that, but I'm going to get almost my whole order for free. So being a part of the loyalty rewards program really is worth it. You get the option of a free oil every month. You get free points that you can use toward more free oils. So it really can save you a whole bunch of money when you're building your oil collection. So comment below or message me on Facebook if you have any questions. I would be happy to answer them. Otherwise, happy shopping. Have a great day, everybody.